Hey everyone, really warm welcome back to the channel. This video is all about installing the Heko wind deflectors on the front windows of the bus here. So let's get into it. Hey everyone, really warm welcome back. Well, next project in the series is to get these things in here, if they'll come out of the bag, that is. Yeah, of course it's a set of wind deflectors onto the bus right there. So let's give that window a clean and then we'll get them fitted. Right, that looks ready, so let's get these things out of the pack. So, Caravel Transporter T6. First thing to check is these things, so these are the clips that go in the window. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've got laminated glass on this bus, so that's what I want to check first. Alright, so there's the glass, and can you see the difference in laminated? So you can see it's got these two pieces here, and if you run your thumb across the top, it's a bit disgusting. I've been cleaning it. You can see it's one piece, a bit of a dent in the middle, and then the second piece. So let's just try these over the top, because that means some things don't fit. That's a bit low. Hang on, let's move the glass up slightly. I'll do. Ah, it looks alright though. Oh, it looks like at least mil to spare. Okay, I'm happy with those. They look good. Which side of the barb's supposed to go on though? Let's go and look that up. Right, barb's inside, and let's see. Oh, I should get that clean with some IPA though, shouldn't I? It's not in the pack though. It's infuriating. Mind you, that's all. It's all cloth in there. Actually cleaning it with IPA, it's not going to do anything, I don't think. Anyway, let's give it a go, because we can. A nasty feeling this is not going to stay together though. So we've got the Vicky and Bernie from Campervan Capers approach of the spatula, which I think is brilliant. Or we've got the proper tool. But this is a bit rounded, so I think we might go with the Vicky and Bernie approach. That seemed to work very well. But for the IPA, I think we better have this thinner one, because there's quite a lot of this cloth. So let's just give that a bit of a clean in there. Not that it makes any difference, because that's fabric. Right, I'll do the front down here. Sticker off on this side. That one needs to shatter, which is what happened with the headlights. Okay, it's in the channel. And then we'll get the clips in. pretty firm. Right, barbed end towards the outside. No, what did it say about there, wasn't it? No, barbed end towards the inside, not the outside. The spatula is too bendy. Okay, Vicky and Bernie method is not going to work with that spatula, we need a firmer one. Oh, it's not going in with that either. That's it for this video. A big thanks to Vicky and Bernie from Campervan Capers channel. I think I put a link earlier on in the video to that, and thanks to you guys for watching. As I think I mentioned in the introductory video for the series, all the bulk of the footage, so the actual fitting stuff, was recorded throughout the development of the van itself, so over the last few months, and then I've just tagged these end bits on when I've been doing the editing to do a summary of how we found the whole thing, which means that these sunshades, these wind deflectors, sorry, on the side have been on for a few months now, and they haven't moved a millimeter. I think, you know, they've been absolutely brilliant. There's no interference between the clip that's in there and the glass, which was the number one thing I was really worried about early on with the acoustic glass option that I've got in this particular bus. And so that's been great. Mainly it's just for looks, of course, but they have been incredibly useful when we've been out camping, because we've been able to move the window down just a little bit to get a little bit of airflow going through here, even when we've got the front blind on. So that is brilliant. For driving and airflow, we don't need it, because of course this is a caravel, which means it's got built-in aircon, so we would not be having the windows open most of the time. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in. Remember to ding the donger, or whatever else it is you're supposed to do, and you will get notified every time there's a new upload in this series and in general on the channel. So thanks again, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now. See ya.